Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening the specific sheet. Once you confirm you have edit or view access, make a copy if needed so you control the file. Next, decide how you want the desktop file: Excel for full compatibility, CSV for plain data, or PDF for fixed layout. Make sure to close any dialogues and keep the sheet active. This readies the document for immediate export without unnecessary steps. You proceed to File, then Download, and pick the format that fits your use. For Excel, choose XLSX. For data exchange, choose CSV. For sharing, choose PDF. Once you pick PDF, adjust paper size, orientation, and whether to include grid lines. For CSV, check the locale and delimiter. After selecting options, name the file clearly, include date or version, and click Save. Make sure your browser's download folder. You finish by opening the saved file on your desktop to verify values, formatting, and formulas. If something looks wrong, like lost formulas or misaligned cells, re-export as XLSX or use Google Drive's backup and sync to preserve formulas. Once done, make a quick backup copy. If downloads fail, clear your browser cache, check your internet, or re-download. Permission issues may require making a copy in Drive first. Keep one verified local file and one cloud copy to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.